Welcome. Hey everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I guess it's my first time seeing you guys, and I guess it's you guys' first time seeing me. So I want to say Happy New Year to everyone who's watching this video for the first time. I'm just a traveler who's traveling from Jamaica to various parts of the world to hear different music, different culture, different heritage of what each individual is capable of apart from my country. So I've encountered these guys, right? It seems as if they are families, but I'm not sure. So this is the reason why I'm here today to learn a lot about them. And this song is quite big, it's quite viral. I can see that it's a lot of views, millions of views been on the song. So I guess the audiences or the reception of this song is quite massive. Okay, people. So we're gonna react to for the first time on my page. They are called MARILAG live at Cove. Diolena. First time. So without further ado, oh yes, one question. Do anyone who's watching this video is a testament to our Jamaican legend, Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments and let me find out what are the capabilities from these guys.
Everyone dance, come on. Ready, come on. Hot shot, running in my non-stop vertical. Troll plot, whiskey in the teapot, ethanol. Burning like hell, flame be bright, heavenly body. Only music can define you when it sounds like. Movie in the bar, air in the goose. Photo mo na checkpoint black smooth. Tao minsan sa mga palagi. Ang may tuluhiya sa'yo'y maaari. Eh, shorty, you don't need no makeup. Brown eyed chick on the side. Pretty, pretty lady, big back doesn't make sense. I see God. So it's hard till I look in your eyes, see my future. Think you love in your I wonder what your girl was in heaven when I got.
Oh my god, yo, this is beautiful. What beautiful song, what beautiful people. What hey, this is gorgeous, bro. This is gorgeous. Wow, impressive, very impressive. I'm literally feeling great, absolutely great here, bro. Damn.
A glimpse of it coming from your music to my and this open. How you want my reason to give I love every part of you. Can we slow down? Girl, I don't wanna miss a thing. Ibigin kay drama sa teatrong buhay limitado. Bawat kisap ng matay kawalan. Brown-eyed chick, baby. I see God. Come on, everyone. Haven't felt so divine till I look in your eyes, see my future. Baby, loving you, save me. Yo, everyone, come on down.
Rock 'em, rock 'em, rock 'em, rock 'em, rock 'em. Yo, As a Jamaican, I totally approve this song to be one of the best songs I've heard since 2025, and not just the songs, but the crowd's reception, the people who are partaking in this song, the artist himself, and the musician, especially with the beats, bro. This song's a total package. Now I see why so much people are gravitating to this type of music because of the calmness, right? And you all know Filipinos are very talented people when it comes down to music, when it comes down to performance, when it comes down to anything pertaining to music. The Filipinos, they are really incredible. And I'm impressed. Not saying I'm surprised, but I'm impressed. I did not expect nothing less from the Philippines, bro. Trust me. I'm not gonna lie, right? Such profound voice, right? And also the musicians, right? The guitarist, the pianist, and also the person who's playing the trumpet. But regardless of the musical instrument that is there playing, bro, everyone seems so organizingly cute, right? It's organized. It's like it's vocalizing together, all its sounds together, vocalizing to make one. This is music. This is the power of music. And you all know if this guy is called MARILAG, if that's his name, then bro, MARILAG, you are a great, incredible artist. And as a Jamaican here, I can stand tall to say, bro, very good. Very good. This Cozy Cove concert is phenomenal.
No, I don't wanna live this life without you, girl. Okay, have you ever wondered what God looks like? Only to realize that you see it every time you look at your favorite person. Now, if this is your thing, I want everyone to sing this as loud as they can. Game, 3 times energy. Come on. 1, 2. MARILAG. Come on, clap your hands. I hear my legs say you're a baby. So divine, till I look in your eyes. Baby, loving you, baby, loving you, you save me. Louder, what? Baby, loving you, you save me. Baby, loving you, save me.
Terrific. Absolutely terrific. Wow! For my first time, bro, I'm invest in all that they're doing. Very first time, I'm feeling good. So if you guys enjoyed my reaction, bro, remember to, y'all know, subscribe, leave a like, share this to a friend, share this to a Filippo, letting him or her know about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video. So please leave your suggestions down in the comments so I could know which is the next to go up on to hear what's up.